हलाल नाइट क्लब्स, हलाल डेटिंग साइट्स, हलाल जीन्स, इस सबका मांस से कोई संबंध नहीं है। हलाल क्लोथिंग्स, हलाल रेजिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, हलाल ऑफिसेस और अब हलाल बैंकिंग और हलाल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज।
I mean, there's breads, there's milk, there's all of those things, but there's also things like toilet paper and feminine hygiene products and nail polish and makeup and vaccines. Like, it's gone on to the point now where even transport can be certified halal.
मैंने कहा कि ये मीट से शुरू होता है, इकोनॉमिक्स पे खत्म होता है, मगर इस पूरे यात्रा में, हलाल यात्रा में सब कुछ कवर होता है और अल्टीमेट इसका है कि पूरे विश्व को हमने इस्लाम के झंडे के तले लाना है। ग्रैंड मुफ्ती ऑफ बोस्निया, उनका एक वीडियो है जिन्होंने आईएस को और इनको और उनको सबको मूर्ख बताया। उनका वील कॉन्कर वर्ल्ड थ्रू हलाल। हमें कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है अपने आदमी मरवाने की। रे मूर्खों, क्यों मरवा रहे हो अपने आदमी? आप इकोनॉमिकली उनको इतना टाइट कर।
The sentiment is echoed in the Grand Mufti of Bosnia, Dr. Mustafa Seric's statement when he urged the Muslim Ummah in 2010 to conquer the world through the halal.
The demand for halal food has created a education industry with many Muslims becoming halal certifiers, and the profits are going to funding some questionable Islamic projects.
The curious thing is that halal certified products are not usually clearly marked on labels. In fact, the certification is often hidden or very difficult to find.
I do question the ethics of the whole halal certification system in Australia.
It struck me as odd that a tiny percentage of the country are making financial demands of Australian companies.
Halal certification practices are in fact imposed upon me and our society, often without consumer knowledge or consent.
Quite clearly it is a business. Halal certification isn't a charity.
We have to have an integrated society. Islam is divisive.
So do you want your grocery spend or part of it to be going to foreign fighters in Syria?
Why is Islam as a subject untouchable and off limits?
Money from halal certification is used to fund, promote and develop Islam in Australia.
This is thuggery of the highest order, and that's been proven by the evidence in the Senate committee.
It's all about the Islamisation of the Western world.
क्या तू फिर से गुलाम बनना चाहता है? और ये तेरी आखिरी गुलामी होगी।